Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Wednesday, 26 November 2025. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction numbers: number 2, number 5, number 9, number 16, number 32. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction number: repeat, number 2, number 5, number 9, number 16, number 32. Now it's a Daily Lotto second prediction numbers: number 4, number 12, number 28, number 34, number 36. Today's a Daily Lotto second prediction number: repeat, number 4, number 12, number 28, number 34, number 36. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next draw notification. Please like my video. I can comment this video.